Hello, all language lovers and Indonesian learners. This is day 8 and episode 12 of this incredible Indonesian journey. So we will today check how to say our capabilities and abilities and how we can do stuff in Indonesian. It can sometimes come up as a little bit complicated, as there are 3 cases to say how we can do things. But without further ado, let's go into details. So we have 3 types of saying how we are able to do things. So one of them is BISA, and this is actually the formal one. And then we have DAPAT, and more formal one and more maybe physical one, let's say MAMPU. This is also a formal one. Let's check BISA. So this is basically just like can in English. So what we do is like when we perform a particular action. For example, dia bisa bermain piano. Bermain means to play, so I can play the piano. So this is an ability. I can do that. It's a skill. So kamu bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia is also a skill. So it's like, can you speak Indonesian? And then we also have bisa tolong saya dengan tugas ini. If someone can help us with a task. So tolong is help and saya dengan tugas ini. So now we move to dapat. Dapat can mean can or get, depending on the situation. In formal situations, dapat will mean almost exclusively can, but in informal speeches, it can mean get. And also, let's not forget that in formal speeches, if I use the word mendapat, then it means to get. So let's check 3 examples here. So, dia tidak dapat menjawab pertanyaan itu can mean she cannot or he cannot answer that question. But if I want to use mendapat in formal speech, as in the example here, saya mendapat kesempatan untuk berbicara di konferensi internasional bulan depan. So I get the opportunity to speak at an international conference next month. And then in informal speech, saya dapat hadiah di pesta ulang tahunnya. I got a gift at his birthday party. All right, so let's move to MAMPU. MAMPU means can or have the capacity, and it's a more formal version of BISA. And MAMPU is used when discussing ability in terms of strength or capability, especially in challenging situations. So what these challenging situations can be: dia mampu mengangkat 50 kg tanpa bantuan. So we can say he is capable of lifting 50 kg. We can still say can, of course, but it's a physical challenge. It's a challenging situation. So we would like to use mampu, but bisa is perfectly all right too. Another example is meskipun dia baru belajar selama 2 minggu, dia mampu berbicara bahasa Indonesia dengan lancar. Even though he has only been speaking for 2 weeks, he is capable of speaking Indonesian fluently. So I hope this is going to be the case for me. So I think that sums up the use cases of mampu, dapat, and bisa. Thank you very much once again for watching me, and selamat tinggal.